lease, well, half an acre. Okay. All right. 8 more minutes against the wind, guys. And then we're gonna be heading south, I think, from Forest Park, but we're gonna go right around Forest Park, kind of show you guys what's in there. We can't stop to see everything because yeah, I definitely don't want to stay out too late past sundown, and not really knowing the neighborhoods here or how dangerous areas get after dark, because I'm sure in the winter, because of the economy slowing down and everything, there's probably an increase in robberies and assaults and things of that nature. Wow, people are really actually like nice. They look over and they smile. Yeah, you don't get that in the city too much. In Chicago, I mean, I don't think I've gone past one person yet who did not look and smile. It's not like maybe they're smiling at you, they're just probably happy. Okay, so Phillips 66, giving the old tribute, even though they're 10 cents more expensive than I think BT was, so BP, but they're giving a tribute to the old Route 66 down here. Phillips, yeah, still going. Right. So downtown is down there. All right, couple more. Well, stop sign, and I'm gonna go right. Wow, look at these houses, guys. There's a flag of Chicago there. Yeah, I was told by one of my good fellow brothers who went to school not too far away from here, and in his college days they used to come up here to St. Louis for weekends and that, and he said surrounding that park, Forest Park, there's gonna be beautiful homes, and I said, okay, I'm down with that. So he said, yeah, definitely, like right around. And yeah, look at these homes, guys. Some of them are like multi-family, but they also look like to be originally built for single family. and now been cracked open and subdivided. All right, hearing the old sirens. In London, you hear them every like 2 seconds. Not necessarily mean you're in a bad area. There's just always something going on. So guys, when you come up here, certainly if you're a cyclist, this is one of the hits of the city, is Forest Park. It's got some ponds and small lakes. Now, you know, nothing like Lincoln Park, of course, being right on top of Lake Michigan there. But nonetheless, I can see that it from here already, that it's quite something here to definitely walk there. They got the zoo in there. They have, I believe, the city's museum, a couple of museums. But originally I thought the park was where the 1904 Olympics were held. And keep in mind, guys, it's very historic Olympics, because there was the first Olympics in the West world, meaning probably outside of Europe. They were the first Olympics. They were the first Olympics to allow African Americans to compete. And it was only 100 years after the Louisiana Purchase. I mean, this was an amazing time. And originally I thought that they were held here at a lot of the events were held here at the park, but they were not. They actually held most of the events at the local colleges and the universities, and I think maybe some of the like practice things were being done here in the park. But here we are, guys. We have arrived, and I don't know exactly which side we're entering, but we're at West Pine